Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a blog with WordPress. Let's begin. Now, creating a blog with WordPress is a straightforward process that involves several key steps, and here's a step-by-step guideline to help you get started. Number one is you want to make sure you have your account created on WordPress. If you haven't already, click on the Get Started option. Now the thing is, you can create your account on WordPress using the following platform. You can continue with Google, you can continue with Apple, with GitHub, or your business or working email. All right. Now after that, you need to follow the on-screen instructions. Now once you are inside the WordPress, you can create new account in a few quick steps. And of course, you can start by choosing your domain or your blog's site address. You can start with a custom domain, or you can transfer domain if you wanted, or choose the WordPress.com free address if you want to pick your domain later, all right? But the thing is, I'm gonna choose the latter part because I'm gonna be using the WordPress.com, which is a free address, because this video is for tutorial only. Now, what I'm going to do is using a plugin called Elementor, all right? So I'm gonna switch over to the plugin section and look for Elementor. Now click on search. Now, Elementor is a popular drag and drop page builder plugin for WordPress. It allows users to create custom website designs, and of course that includes a blog and layouts without needing to write any code, which is very easy to use. It's easy for beginners like me and professionals like you to build visually appealing and responsive websites. All right. Now, all I have to do is click on the Get Started because it's free on Business Plan. All right. Now, click on Get Started. Now, once you are inside of this dashboard, as you can see, you can select all the templates that you wanted to start your blog here. All right. Now, I'm going to use something like maybe this one for now, for the blog right here. I'm going to choose this one, right? And that's going to be the title of my blog. Of course, I can customize all of these. Say, for example, I'm going to add another thing here. Now, as you can see, everything here is customizable. For example, this one, I'm gonna put a different option here. And we can replace the image by clicking on the group and the media and text. I'm gonna replace the image right now by clicking on this one and click on replace and select media. And you can drop and drag the files here. Now, after doing so, all you have to do is wait for it to be uploaded. You can put as much as information as you can. There you go. Now, this is going to be the home page. If you don't want this one right here, all you have to do is delete. And you can put as much as information as you can. Now, the idea is once you've done any changes on your blog site, all you have to do is do not forget to click on save, because sometimes if you don't have a stable internet and active internet connection, the thing is most of the time your work has been saved here. But if in case you don't have a good connection, there's a big and high chances that your works has not been saved yet. Just make it a thing and make sure to always save your work. Now, you see the templates right here. You can actually add more header and more footer. If you wanted, you can, of course, use the AI assistant to make your life easier. And after doing all of this, as you can see, this is going to be the home. You can duplicate the blog home or add or before, add after, group. You can even delete if you're not happy with the way how it looks. After that, when you click on the blog section, You can gather blocks in a container and all of this information here. Now, this is going to be a separate tutorial on how to use all of these elements, but essentially this is how you create a blog here on WordPress, right? You can use Elementor, you can use hosting website if you wanted, but again, what I wanted to do right now is just use the WordPress.com free hosting. All right, now you can also go to the outline wherein this is the header 2, and these are the headers and other components that comprises your blog. Now you have an option to view it in a different perspective. You can use the tablet. Here's what it looks like on your mobile device as well. And of course, you can always go to the view site, like a preview of your blog before you go for a hosting plan and commit. All right, so this is going to be your blog here. After doing so, you can also change a theme if you wanted. For example, if you're not happy with the way how it looks, click on that and then just wait for the themes to load. Now you can also go to the site editor again to make necessary changes that you wanted. As you can see, it says editing the blog home template. Right now, you see this Jetpack right here. It is one of the featured tools here in WordPress for AI Assistant. You can optimize the publishing, you can improve title, you can generate feedback, and of course, you can also click on the AI feature generate image. All right, there's a lot that you can do here in WordPress, and I believe that's the reason why people always go to WordPress to create their first blog right here. All right, you can generate a featured image with AI, but I'm not going to do that right now. You can improve style if you wanted. I always do this a lot so I don't have to think about it. Right here. Now, after doing all of these, the next thing that you need to do is, now you see, you can click the launch site. When you do that, you would be forwarded here, wherein you are asked to choose a custom domain. All right. Now from here, there's a lot that you can choose. You can choose a domain. For example, this one, if you wanted this one, just click on select. And there's a lot of that has been given to you on the suggestions if you wanted to do that. Now, when you hover to the other dashboard, you see on the left side panel of your dashboard, there's like a manage blogs option. That is where you keep your all of your blogs if you have created or started creating your blogs here on WordPress. And all I gotta do, if you wanted to add a new site, all you have to do is click this button right here. And what will happen is you need to choose your domains. You can find and claim one or more domain names so that you can start creating more blog pages in WordPress. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.